I like that light to dark right there. All right, so I'm gonna go over here and point out a few things. This is a knife edge. This was not intentional. I started with this same material. This was 1 5/16 thick. I watched the Papa 1947 make one of these this morning. His is much better. You should check him out, by the way. He does great work. His name's Gary. He's a really nice guy, and he responds to every comment. This one is 6 inches by 6.5 inches. On the long axis, the distance from here to here is bigger or longer than from here to here, which is the short side. So the 6-inch side and the 6.5-inch side. I did not intend to make this knife edge here. I planned on kind of going to the short side, but it just kept chipping out on me. And I just kept following those chips until I finally was like, my Lord. So this is what it looks like. And I had quite a few tool marks. I hit it with some sandpaper to kind of smooth it down, just to kind of see what it's going to look like. I'm not 100% confident that I'm not going to screw this up. But I'm going to hook this end. I'm going to recess it out and, you know, make a little dovetail to lock onto my chuck. And then flip it around and try to go into the other side and make this a dish. Look at the chatoyance with just one coat. See how the light shimmers? Got a little fuzzball. These lint-free cloths are not so lint-free, apparently. All right, I'll give it another spin. I like that light to dark right there.